Alright everyone, in this video we're going to be getting boozy. Yes, we're going to make an alcoholic beverage with these boozy bombs. Drink bombs, same as I made in the other videos, but we're going to add them to alcohol. So I just got my little, margarita glass here, put some ice cubes in it, and pour some Bacardi, You can make these with your girls on the book club meetings. It'll be really fun. Pop them in your little drinks and yeah. Let's show you what's going on here. What you think about that? Boozy bombs, baby. You could do this with crushed ice. Put your tequila in there and make some margarita flavored ones. This would be great, like a strawberry daiquiri, because this is a strawberry flavored. Look at that. Isn't that fun? You can make these with your girlfriends. Or at your football parties. Yeah. Look at that. Boozy bombs, baby. Let me have a sip of that. That's awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Try it out. Give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching.